My whole life I've tried to find a way to combine my love of science and engineering with a passion for explaining it to non-scientists and making it understandable.
Tyler Irving est rédacteur scientifique pour l'actualité chimique canadienne, Canadian Chemical News, une revue qui s'adresse aux professionnels de la chimie. Il présente l'univers de la chimie et du génie chimique d'un point de vue canadien, allant des découvertes scientifiques aux innovations industrielles et à leur impact sur notre vie quotidienne.
You have to have a compelling story, a narrative that draws you in and makes you want to find out what happened next. You need interesting characters who are well developed and who have something to say. And of course, it has to be very well researched, scientifically accurate, and truthful. And in order to do that, you need a lot of back and forth and a lot of patience with the scientists and engineers that you're talking to. But at the end of the day, you're not writing a report, you're writing a story, something that you yourself would want to read and then maybe pass on to friends and colleagues and say, I found this interesting, maybe you will too.
The fact that Tyler has an engineering background is an obvious asset to us. But what is rare about Tyler is his storytelling ability. It's not enough when you're telling science and engineering stories to be precise. Your story has to resonate with an audience outside of a core group of experts, and Tyler understands that inherently.
L'article gagnant, publié dans le numéro de novembre-décembre 2012 de la revue, est un modèle du journalisme scientifique, précis, informatif et mobilisateur.
The article I wrote, called Nature's Industrialists, is all about how a new science, biotechnology, the ability to manipulate DNA, genes, enzymes, and proteins, is transforming much older industries in which chemical engineers ply their trade. For over 100 years, chemical engineers have focused on taking raw materials like oil and refining them into specialty chemicals like polymers, plastics, paints, and coatings. What we're learning is that enzymes from plants, bacteria, and microorganisms have the ability to carry out those transformations faster, more efficiently, and in a more environmentally sustainable manner. And the research that's driving that forward is happening right here in Canada.
Tyler has an incredible number of strengths, starting with his background in chemical sciences and engineering. This gives him the ability to understand the context of an article, to do the heavy-duty research that's necessary, but most importantly, he has the interpersonal skills. And that's not an easy thing. He knows who to contact, and then he knows how to talk to that person.
I've joined journalism at a really interesting time where things are changing faster than they ever have before. The ability that the internet has given us to share information with people around the world at the speed of light has really changed the ways in which we get our stories in front of the people that want to see them. For the magazine, I run a blog called chemistrymatters.ca. I run 2 Twitter accounts, and I'm active on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, and a whole bunch of other platforms.
For his journalistic insights into the worlds of chemistry and chemical engineering, Engineers Canada is proud to present the 2013 Award of Journalism Excellence to Tyler Irving.